Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2020 Landrover Discovery. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's an impressively capable, unapologetically posh Discovery that's ready for any adventure. From its high-end style and superior build quality to its suite of tech-savvy amenities and safety features, this remarkable full-size SUV will exceed every expectation. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, backup camera, power liftgate, heated mirrors, wood grain interior trim, fog lamps. Serious off-road capability meets high-end luxury in this superlative Discovery. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.